Do energy drinks actually give you energy, or just trick your body? Energy drinks are everywhere. They promise instant energy, better focus, and improved performance. But behind that quick boost, there's a complex chain of reactions happening inside your body. From your brain to your heart, every system responds in its own way. Let's break it down step by step. The moment you take your first sip, your body begins to react. The combination of caffeine, sugar, and other stimulants activates your senses almost instantly. Your taste receptors send signals to your brain, preparing your body for a surge of stimulation. Because energy drinks are liquid, they move quickly through your digestive system. Within minutes, caffeine and sugar begin to enter your bloodstream through the small intestine. This fast absorption is one of the reasons energy drinks act so quickly. Once inside your blood, caffeine travels rapidly throughout your body. It reaches your brain, heart, and muscles in a short amount of time. Your system is now entering a stimulated state. In the brain, caffeine begins to block the effects of adenosine. This chemical normally signals your brain to feel tired. By blocking it, caffeine tricks your brain into feeling awake and alert. As this happens, your brain activity increases. Neurons fire more rapidly, and communication between different brain regions becomes faster. This leads to improved focus, quicker reactions, and heightened alertness. At the same time, your brain releases dopamine. Dopamine is associated with motivation, reward, and pleasure. This is why you may feel more energized, positive, and driven after consuming an energy drink. Your body may also release adrenaline. This hormone prepares your body for action. It increases alertness, sharpens your senses, and prepares your muscles for activity. As a result, your heart begins to beat faster. Blood is pumped more quickly through your body, delivering oxygen and nutrients at a higher rate. This supports the feeling of increased energy and readiness. At the same time, the sugar in the drink causes a rapid rise in blood glucose levels. This provides your body with a quick source of energy. However, this spike is often followed by a sudden drop. During this phase, you may feel highly energized. You are more alert, more focused, and physically ready to perform tasks. This is the peak effect of the energy drink. However, as stimulation continues, your body may begin to feel overwhelmed. Too much caffeine can lead to restlessness, nervousness, or difficulty relaxing. Your system is working at a higher level than normal. After the peak, your energy levels begin to drop. Blood sugar decreases, and the stimulating effects start to wear off. You may feel tired, low on energy, and less focused. This is known as the energy crash. Some energy drinks can also affect your hydration levels. Caffeine may increase fluid loss, which can contribute to mild dehydration if not balanced with water. If consumed frequently, your body may begin to adapt. You may need more caffeine to achieve the same effect. This can reduce sensitivity and increase reliance on stimulant. Over time, excessive consumption may place stress on your cardiovascular and nervous systems. Balance becomes essential to avoid negative effects. Energy drinks can provide a quick boost in energy and focus, but the effects inside your body are complex and temporary. From brain stimulation to heart response and energy crashes, your body goes through multiple stages. Understanding these effects can help you make smarter choices about when and how to consume them.